see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you do.
Alis na kami. Airport mother. Dito na kami sa airport. Holy girl.
It's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love.
Kapag-check-in na pala kami and kakain lang dito sa Cinnabon.
Guys, this is what I'm getting. I'm getting the classic cinnamon bun, and I'm also getting the vanilla and cream flavor.
You want vanilla? I thought you want Ha? Ano na? It's up to you.
Please, can you put
Ano, si Mama gusto niya yung mini choco bun, ha?
This is vanilla and cream. They got hot chocolate.
Ako sila Mama sa Cinnabon. Tapos ako pumunta ko dito sa yung malaking screen ng Cebu Pacific kasi hindi pa nila in-announce kung anong gate kami. To be announced daw. 11 yung flight namin. Ano pa lang naman? 9:17. Mag-take away ako ng Jamaica. Ang paborito ko. Meron pa ako doon sa freezer sa ako nakuha. Ibabalik naman kami doon. Ngayon, bili tayo na dadalhin ko sa people. Hi ate!
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Pwede ko yung beef pinatubo?
Yes.
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 Sige. Magkano sa box?
Yan ma'am, pag 12 ma'am, 1,000.
12 pieces. Pwede siyang i-freezer, di ba?
Yes ma'am. Kung meron kami dito.
Ay, meron kayo. Ay, yeah, yun na lang. Ay,
Ah.
meron silang hindi luto. Ah, sige po ate, kuha ako nun. Tapos i-oven ko lang, di ba?
Yes. Recommend.
Ah, very good. Sige, yan na lang.
Lahat
Ang,
sige. Ganyan.
sige.
Ilan? Lahat na.
Isa, ano yung iba yung best, yung masarap?
Cheesy beef.
Masarap?
Mm.
Walang spicy?
Meron din. Cheesy beef pinatulog. Pero hatid na lang. Anim-anim.
Ah, sige, 6 na spicy na Ay, meron pala. Meron sila. Mas maganda.
Oo.
Para fresh talaga.
Perfect.
Oo. Tapos kuha na lang ako nakakainin ko.
Okay.
Magkano yun ate?
120.
Sana meron tayo.
Yung kainin mo 120. Pero yung juice. Dagdagan mo juice.
Ay, water aqua.
Better na.
Ano ba yan? Anong juice yan?
Yan, masarap yan mo.
Ano yan?
Kinasan din buko. No sugar.
Ah, marimar.
Sarap yan, ma'am.
Yung lang, may pure lang ba?
Oo.
Oh, yun na lang. Yung pure
Juice. Wala.
Apo. Magkano lahat yung akin ate?
Okay, wait lang ha. 1, 2, 2, 3. Plus, ikatingin mo na. 1,680.
168, okay. Balikan kita, ate. Kunin ko yung cash ko doon.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you po. Ayan na yung maglola. Ito sa'yo, ma. Binigyan ng straw? Okay. So, thank you.
1,680.
Okay, tapos balikan ko na lang mamaya yung akin. Ate, pa-ready na lang. Kasi mamay, wala pa yung namin, hindi pa nga na-announce ko anong gate kami. Para hindi siya ma-defrost. Kasi yung flight namin, papuntang Bicol, 1 hour lang naman. Pero yung hintay, yun ang matagal. Maya-maya pa kami. 9:23 pa lang. Kumuha ko na ang
So, ito na yung ano mo, ma'am.
Thank you po.
20. Lahat, ano natin, ma'am. 20.
Tapos i-claim ko na lang. Tapos naiwan ko na,
Okay na naman.
Nagmadali ako, no?
Pwede mo naman balikan, anytime naman.
Pagbalik ko.
Oo.
Huwag naman, ate.
Huwag naman basta lagi mong paalalahin.
Oo. Sabi ko, yung ano lang, yung,
Offers from the family.
yung plain lang na buko.
Oo. Sarap yan.
Oo nga.
Tama.
Oo.
Lalo na yung milk.
Oo. Thank you, ate. Salamat.
Thank you.
Balikan na lang kita mamaya.
Sure. Huwag lang akong kalimutan.
Huwag lang makalimutan. Ay, di ba makakalimutan ko na yung aking kakainin.
Diyan lang kayo, ma'am, para maalala mo ko dito.
Oo, dyan lang naman. Sige, ate. Thank you. Kanina bumalik ako kila mama kasi kumuha ko ng pera. Kulang yung pera ko. Magkahiwalay kami. Si mama gustong-gusto niya ang buhok ko. Mahal nga lang dun sa sa June. Mahal yung pagpa. Lahat mahal. Gunting, pagpa-treat. Gustong-gusto ni mama para may iba naman. Kasi last time, straight na straight yung buhok ko. Nagpa-keratin ako last year. Tapos yung nagupit sa akin tsaka nag-ayos. Hindi niya sinadjust na mag-keratin ako kasi meron masisira daw yung buhok ko. Sabi niya, yun, if-firm niya na lang, yun nga, sabi, ayaw mo na. Firm curl lang to guys, na layer. Para maiba naman, para hindi na ako ano ba, laging mag-straight. Yung ganun, guluguluhan lang siya. Pero mas maganda siyang i-blow dry mo siya. Kasi hindi ko dala yung aero ko eh. Kain tayo. Pinatubo yung kinuha ko maanghang. Beef pinatubo. Kung gusto mo mag-inom ha. Kaalis lang namin sa Cinnabon. Ngayon i-check namin kung anong gate tayo. At saka kukunin ko rin yung yung Jamaican na natin yung panada. Hindi pa kasi nakalagay sa board yung gate namin. So ang daming tao din dito naghihintay. Kung anong gate sila. Kasi to be announced daw. Ano ba? Legazpi. What gate are we? Legazpi. No, to be announced nga. It's still here. To be announced. Not yet. So we don't know what gate are we going. So that's why we stay in Cinnabon. Or toilet, ma.
And then
Toilet? Okay, toilet. We're gonna find the toilet. Kaya hanapin natin yung toilet. Tara, ma. And, meron akong may mga na-TikTok ako. Ewan ko lang kung okay siya. Panoorin yung TikTok ko sa Reels. Habang nakatambay kami sa Cinnabon. Ate, hindi ko pa kukunin yung akin kasi hindi pa naman. Kasi hindi pa namin alam kung anong gate. May toilet dito, ate.
Oh, sa gitna.
Sa gitna po? Okay, sige. Thank you, ate. So, balikan namin yon. Mag-toilet lang muna. Hindi ko masyadong nakain yung Jamaican. Parang nabusog agad ako. Potato corner. Gusto niyang potato corner. Nakaidlip kang konti. Nakikita ko yung mata mo, nakasara na. Kasi, di ba ang aga namin? 11 pa. Kaso nga, ang iniwasan namin yung traffic. Nag-ano na nga kami, expressway kami. Dalawang yung magbabayad ka sa expressway, 160 and 170. Eto toilet. Ang daming tao. Ito na yung mag-toilet. Tinignan ulit namin kung anong gate kami. Wala pa, to be announced. And yung pila doon sa CR, grabe, ang haba-haba. Laki, nakapag-CR na tayo. Mamaya pa kasi nga, hindi pa natin alam kung saan tayong gate. Hindi ko pa kinukuha yung natin, yung Jamaica, yung panada. Balik kami dito sa Cinnabon. Una lang tayo dito kasi go baba no more. No more na. Wala na tayong space. 11 na. I-check ko kung anong gate tayo kasi 11:55 yung boarding. Legazpi on time. 133B. 133B. Kunin na natin yung empanada. Ate, i-claim ko na po. Finally. So, 133B. Thank you, ate. Asan ka?
Bye-bye.
Asan ka?
Andito ako, ma'am. Saan ka?
Dito ako. Dito ka.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you po.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Hi, ma'am.
Thank you, ate. Salamat din. Okay, kunin natin si mama tsaka si 133B. Let's go, ma. 133B. Ha?
So am I.
Ano, pababa na kami. Binigay ni, kinuha ni Holly yung kanyang luggage kay Lola kasi baka rumulog ang Lola niya. Siya may hawak ko. Aming pasahero. Come on, baba. 133B over there. All the way. Magsha-shuttle tayo. Like last year. Nag-bus kami papunta dun sa aeroplano. Next one, next gate. Dito na kami sa shuttle.
Mom,
Yes?
I got internet.
Ha?
I got internet.
Because of me.
Oh, thank you.
Sinok na baba. Mother. Maglaland na kami guys. 45 minutes lang naman.
But it didn't feel like 45 minutes.
Kaya, sabi niya, hindi yan after na 45 minutes na. And yung
Sorry.
ngayon, nandun sa kabilang side. Baka
Guys,
hindi namin makita.
my mom, she slept the whole entire.
No, ano na. Nakatulog lang ang konti. Kasi late na nakatulog ni Mike kahapon. Nakuha pala namin yung luggage. Tawagan ko lang yung mag-pick up sa amin.
I can go.
It's alright, Baba.
Along with she. Oh, it's so nice out. So warm. Yeah. Can you see? Mom.
Thank you, Kuya.
I miss the car that once it rained.
Ha? Yeah. Like this. Maulan daw kaninang umaga. Maulan daw dito kanina.
We didn't get to see the volcano.
Because of the clouds. Natabunan siya.
Isn't it gonna rain tonight?
I think so. Umulan ba kagabi dito? Nag-uran? Iya.
Guys, we got so much space. Look at this. I can have a tea.
Yeah, you can play there.
I can.
Yeah, you can.
And since it's Philippines, sometimes you don't have to wear your seatbelt. So I can just sit on the ground.
Only in the Philippines. But no, you have to put your seatbelt for safety. Kasi sa Manila din hindi siya nagsi-seatbelt. Pero dapat nagsi-seatbelt siya. Pero mas gusto niyang wala.
For safety, why you wear your seatbelt?
Yeah, you have to wear your seatbelt.
How far away is the house?
Not far. This trip, mag-stay kami sa
To a house?
dito sa Legazpi. Last time sa Bicol. Nasa Bicol naman tayo. Sa Tabaco. But this time dito tayo sa Legazpi. Malapit lang dito sa airport.
Did you get me anything for Christmas, or do I have to wait and see?
I don't know. Are you a good girl?
Yeah, I'll be good.
Do you deserve a gift from mommy? We'll see. So yeah, dito kami sa Legazpi. Tapos pupunta-punta na lang kami ng Tabaco.
Good question.
What? You forgot? You forgot which house? You've been here last
It's
year.
right there. It's right there.
Yeah, you've been here last year with Daddy.
Yeah, I know. Isn't it? Wasn't it when they were still building it?
Yes.
See, I told.
Huh?
I got this. I got the house right first try.
Ah, yan, yung Christmas light. So, dito na tayo.
So I
Follow
can just
Lola
go
now.
up to them.
Yeah, follow Lola na. Dito na kami. Ay, preskuhon. What's Dolly?
Kind of smells. Wow.
Yeah.
That's
What?
my first time
What?
to go in an elevator in here.
Yes.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Can I try?
Later, we're going to the 3rd floor.
That's like the first time I saw an elevator in a house. And I
Yes, you've seen it last year, but it wasn't
Yeah, but
finished
it
yet.
wasn't built. This is what
No,
it's
it
attached.
was,
Well,
but
it wasn't finished. We didn't
Yeah.
get to use it.
that's right.
Look,
Yeah.
it's gold, Mom.
Yeah.
It's gold.
Yeah.
Ah, it's gold. Is that a basement? That's a bathroom.
Kami lang ang dito. Tapos yung yung tumatao.
Oh, it's kind of hard.
Then sa Christmas, marami kami dito. Dito kami magki-Christmas. Pupunta yung mga pinsan pa namin. Pahinga muna kami. Okay, ako muna. Gusto kong kumain ng Hindi pa ako kumain ng... Hindi ko naubos kainin yung aking empanada eh. Ma, saan ka? Ah, nasa toilet ka. Alis pala kami guys. Nakatulog ang mama at Holly. Punta tayo ng saan ka ma? Saan ka? Ako na dyan sarap para makaano ko. So, makita ko ang view ng Legazpi. Nasara na yung gate. Kami guys, mag-grocery kami. So, hindi na tayo makakabili ng shilane, kuya. Wala tayong gas.
Bukas na ma.
Bukas na. I-deliver lang yon.
Hindi. Pupuntahan ko dyan sa baba.
Okay, tapos makukuha din natin agad.
Opo.
Okay, so mag-grocery kami saglit kasi and dinner din kami sa labas kasi wala pa kaming kain. Si Papa kasi hindi pumunta dito. Hindi siya pumunta dito sa Legazpi. Sa Tabaco siya eh. First day natin dito sa Bicol. Maulan. Ayan na yung SM. Mas malakas yung ulan kaninang umaga, no? Makusog. Makusog. Baba, we're here. Natulog si Holly. Ayaw niya sanang lumabas. Kaso sabi ko, wala tayong groceries. Wala siyang, mo yun, makukut-kut Starbucks. Pag nakita niya, mabubuhayan niya sa Starbucks. Favorite yung Starbucks. Kahit mayroon bang mas masarap pa sa Starbucks, pero Starbucks pa rin siya. Kain muna kami. Dito na tayo sa SM guys. And may nakikita na naman siya. Okay. Tapos daw kayong kakain.
Christmas tree.
Dami mo ng Christmas tree sa sa Manila.
Giant.
That's giant. Yes, it is giant. Yan, sa'yo mo sa phone na ha. Tuloy tamang kontak si Wilson. Yan. Harap yun ho yan. Under the tree. We're gonna eat first, Baba. Let's eat first, okay? Second floor daw yung mga kainan. Hanap muna tayo. And then we can take away potato corners if they have here.
And we're getting dessert.
Dessert, okay. Nagising na siya.
I like birthday back there.
Ube? What ube?
That's what I want.
I don't know.
Do you know
Ito yung SM Legazpi, ha? Gusto niyo mag-ano na? No, baby, because we have to do grocery. Gusto niyo mag-ano, mag-ganyan ba? Sangyup. Sangyup. Ha? Sino si Kuya?
the chicken?
Oo. Maling mo na daw siyang books. Magsusunog siya ng kilay sa pagbabasa ngayon.
I want to get chapter 1.
Okay. The horse. Oh, what you call that one?
Magic black.
Hanap siya ng
Big one.
big one? Ano yung big one? Naghanap siya ng dictionary. Tagalog dictionary. Sige. They're the same. It's just elevated. It's just elevated, Baba. Oh. Alin?
Is this the one?
I don't know. It's up to you. What? The same. There's the same. English, Tagalog. English, Tagalog. Tagalog, English. Yan na lang. So you can learn.
Is this the one?
Yeah, you maybe change it. Yeah. This one here. This one. I don't think so they have the one you're looking for. 195. Two purple. Do you have purple? No purple?
You have them.
Sorry. Ako na lang. Yung Tagalog.
Salamat.
Po.
Po.
Come on, Baba. No.
Man, I
Big
got,
sound.
I got rainbow stairs.
Hoy, hali here. Sa Bigs kami kakain.
It's K-pop demon hunter.
Yeah. What do you want?
I want ribs, but I don't know what to get. The baby back ribs or the ribs and smoked chicken.
It's up to you. What do you...
Can you pick? I'm gonna share with you.
No, I'm gonna have chicken.
I don't know what I pick.
Okay, yung kay mother, Big's fried chicken. Ito yung kay mom. Ang laki ng kanilang ano guys. So, may ano pa, may drawing picture. Kay Holly, ang in-order ko kay Holly is tenderloin. Ito, tenderloin steak. Tapos sa akin, yes.
Thank you.
Oh, that's yours na Holly. Thank you. And yung akin, big deal, chicken pork kebab. Okay, tayo lang namin yung order namin. Akin po. Thank you, Kuya. Kakain na. May isa pa kami. May isa pa, Kuya. Hello. Sige. Sen, papalit ito na. May load. Sige. Ano ba yun? Mainit, Holly, ha? This is
Orders
something.
complete.
Yes.
Thank you.
Where's my
Enjoy.
drink? My drink.
Pepsi,
Pepsi, yeah.
yes. Try, so good.
Did you try?
I did. No, before. Oh, so hot? Yeah. Just be careful. This one is too. Protect yourself. No, not for your head. To protect you. Tapos na kaming kumain. And si Holly, oh, very good. And nagustuhan niya yung iced tea dito sa Biggs. Yung kanya, si mama na nag-uminom. Okay, let's go. Ha? Ito yung gustong shop ni Kuya. Regatta. Maganda kasi yung shorts na nakuha ni Kuya dito last year. Ay, hindi dito, sa Manila.
Hustling girl, we wear the crowns we made.
Guess what? Sabi ko, kuhaan ko si Kuya ng shorts. Hindi ako makakita ng short ni Kuya tulad ng gustong-gusto niya. Sabi ko, mag-try on na lang ako dito. Mga skirt. Ayan, try ko. Naka-skirt din ako from Zara. Pero eto, try ko din. Kasi maganda yung tela. Mag-try lang tayo. Tapos mayroon akong polo. Sabi ni Mama, mayroon ka na yan. May dala akong ganito eh. So, iba naman yan. So, try natin itong Regatta brand. Ito yung first try natin. Ganda siya. Yung skirt, medyo maluwag ng konti. Kasi de-garter siya. Size medium to. Ayan, medyo ano siya. Stretchy pa. Try ko, may small kaya. Pero okay na siguro to. No? Ayan, yung blue. Ang dami ko ng ano. Ilan na yung blue kung ganito. Na stripe. Okay.
The world for each other. Running, we ain't been slowed down.
We're
at the SM mall.
I know.
The SM shop.
Yeah. Watch out.
We're on the third floor looking for my full outfit of Christmas.
Wala out for Christmas. So, dito kayo si kids kasi maghanap daw siya ng pang-Christmas party niya. No, I think over the baba. Okay.
Let's go find our full outfit.
Full outfit. Doon kasi sa Manila, hindi naman kami hindi siya nakapaghanap. Doon daw baba. Doon mamaong. Thank you. This one is nice, Ate Holly. Yeah, but I don't know if you're gonna like the fabric. Yeah. Okay. Try on daw siya. Alright. Tapos na kayo dito sa SM. Mag-grocery na tayo. Nangunguna na siya sa supermarket. Okay, go, Holly. Tara. Get a card. This one. You want apple? Okay, get apple.
Let's get one.
Yeah. Go. Ano yun? Lansones? Ay, bako.
They got grapes.
Yo, go get tinapay ma. Nagmamadali ko kasi ang lakas na ng ulan. Aw, eto. Sesame oil. May sesame oil kayo, ate? Sesame oil. Sesame oil, ma. Sesame, baka din dito. Is it sesame oil? Ah, hindi. Find sesame oil, baba. Ikaw, ko alam kung anong gusto mo. Kung anong gusto mo. Asaan? Sesto, ma. Magbakal para kay Holly. Diba sesto, baba? Sesto. What mango? What do you want? Drink. Asukal ma. Holly. Get your sesto. Here. There's fruit boxes here. Here. What do you want? Mango? You know what? The apple. The big. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ha? Ah, may leak. Oo. Ano na, it's leaking.
The next time we need snacks and toilet paper. Oh, this is not cold.
Get your snacks.
No Moby. I love Moby.
This one, Baba, do you want this? That one cheesy?
They got like cheese.
Yeah, you want that one? Get one. Hello po.
Wait, is it cheese?
Make sure you eat it, okay? Ah, thank you. See, say thank you for watching. Yeah. She wanted to be watching you for a long time. Oh, thank you.
This?
What?
My big one?
I think so. Oh, no. Masama kita sa vlog.
I'll get the tiny one.
Okay. All right. Just try it first. Give it to Lola. And do you... How about here? Do you need anything from here? Ano ma? Yung air freshener.
What about toilet paper?
Paper. And paper towel. Paper towel ma. Oga pa?
Is this toilet paper?
Okay. Come on, Holly. Holly, get that. No. That's all right. That one. Okay. Okay, ano pa ma? Ha? Air freshener. Okay, sabon pa pala.
There's only 3.
Okay, just get few. Come on.
Get 6. 7.
Okay.
Put the 6. 7.
Okay. Okay. Put in the cart now. Okay, tapos shampoo. Sun soap. Cream soap.
Is this it?
I don't know. Ask Lola. Wala ba yung treatment? Ito na lang. Oh, ganito. Nasa tab. Ito. White.
Lotion.
Okay, find Silka for Lola. Oh, just... Is that...
Whitening lotion papaya.
Do you want whitening lotion?
What else are there?
That's like Lola. You want it?
I'll see what else.
Okay. Ayan, maganda yan. Yung the biokeratin. Okay na lang. Ganyan na lang. Ewan ko sa'yo.
Carrot and green papaya.
Which one?
To what?
No, just get one. The orange one. The orange, because Lola's using the orange one. Come on.
But they're the same.
No, it's not the same. Come on. Okay, ano tayo? Kojizan.
What is it?
That's for mommy, this one. Johnson & Johnson na lang sa'yo, Baba. Ayan, Mama, oh. Oo. Amuyin mo nga, please. Okay, okay.
Why is it? What
Okay.
is
Wala yung malalaki. Ha? Gusto niya yung brown. Do you want the brown one? Eh kayo. Bahala kayo. Kayong dalawa, bahala kayong maglola dyan.
Can we get this one?
Yeah, if you want, Holly, go. Come on. Mahanap pa kitang battery ka. Yan, boy. 40. Bigyan mo siyang 40, Holly. Kawawa naman ang bata.
What?
Sige na, sa'yo na yan. Oh, sige na. Oh, give 20. Oh, 40. Oo. Sarado na. Kami nagsara ng SM, guys. Naabutang kami ng Wiso. Sabi ko, ano yun? Sarado na kami, ma'am. Thank you. Okay na. Umuulan na, guys. Ayun si mama.
Oh, Mom, that smells like good.
Ha? What's that? Yeah. Sa isang pagita. Yeah, isang pagita. Sa isang pagita. That's sampagita. Yeah. Thank you. Binalang ka na namin ng ano, dinner mo.
You smell?
Yeah?
Smell?
You like the smell? Yeah, it's sampagita nga.
Will this last ever?
No, not forever. Oh, dumugog pa na. Okay na yan? Last na ba yan, ma? Last na yan, di ba? Dalawa lang naman. Okay. Ding iba dyan na ano, nagasolina. Magpapagasa na kami kaso sarado na raw yung gas. Look at the Christmas tree here, Baba. Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Look at the church. I took the church. City Hall. Oh, it's nice. Daming budget. Ha? Blinagyan ni Ying. That's the church. Church.
guys, look at me.
Where are you guys? Ayan. Yung sampagita, naawa ko dun sa bata. Sabi niya, bili po kayo. Last na lang. Kasi kung magkano, 40. Ayan. Oh. What did you say about the flower? It smells,
Smells so good.
smells so good. Get a tissue. Ginawa niya ng ano yung sampagita. Let me see your head. Ayan. Ayan ang hangin, malakas ang ulan. Put your slippers here.
Home in big where
I'm so tired. I'm ready for bed. Dito pa yung luggage namin, hindi pa namin naiaakyat. Mamaya, patulong kami doon kay ano nga ang pangalan niya, ma? Wilson? Ni Wilson? Wilson. So, mamaya,
Can I
akyat
go in
natin.
the elevator?
Yeah, later, Baba. Wala. So, let's end this vlog, guys. Come on, Baba. Ayun na siya.
Hey guys.
Hi, guys, ka dyan. Ano na siya? Ako pagod na to. Ang sakit na ng ulo. Anong oras ka na natulog ka sa banggi, ma?
10:29.
3 o'clock na kami nakatulog kagabi ni
I
Mama.
couldn't go to sleep.
Ha?
Couldn't go to sleep last night.
Yeah, but Lola massaging you last night.
Yeah, I couldn't go to sleep.
Alright, guys. So, thank you sa mga nag-hi kanina.
Thank you, fans.
Thank you, fans. And sa mga lahat, kahit dun sa Manila, thank you po sa pag-say hi. And yun na yung vlog. Thank you. Please
like.
Ayan, nabasa na to ng ulan.
One says straight.
Nagustuhan ni Jan. Kasi tumawag pala ako kanina. Sabi niya, wow. Wow, sabi niya. I like your hair. So, nagustuhan. Akala ko gusto niya lang laging bagsak. Kasi first time ko magpaganito. Well, nagaganito rin pala ako pag yung gamit ko yung air wrap. Pero eto kasi, ano siya yung may treatment siya na kulot-kulutan talaga siya. Ang tawag doon is digital, ano bang tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko. Digital pearl. Parang gano'n. Okay na guys. Pagod na ako. Tayo na ulo. Okay. Close the vlog. Thank you.
Thank you. Please Thank you for watching our videos. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
Good
Good
night. We're
night.
gonna sleep early tonight. Totally because I'm so tired.
I'm not
Si Mama
tired.
nag-ano na doon. Ano ang ginagawa mo, Ma? Nag... Bukas na lang, Ma. Oh my God, may power ka pa. Ako wala na akong power. Bukas ano tayo? Bibili tayo ng ano? Bili kami ng... Bili ba yun, Ma, o refill? Na gasol. Bili? Refill. Bukas kasi walang gas. Wala nang gas dito. So, bukas na lang, guys. Thank you. So, hindi ka rin makakaluto ng breakfast tomorrow, Ma. Hintayin pa natin sa... bigyan ko na siya ng ano, pera.
Elevator. Mom.
Okay, just wait.
Oh,
Okay.
look at it.
Parang nga talaga tayong nasa hotel lang din.
It's like a luxury.
Okay. Nasa
It's so dark.
level 3. Yeah, because no one's here. Ito yung guest room. Okay. Mali man pala. Ano yan?
Meeting room.
This is a guest room. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick you guys off, so fall asleep with my mom.
Where you gonna sleep? Go. Why don't you sleep on the couch?
Actually,
Yeah, ma'am. Paon mo na, please. Thank you.
this is my bed.
Is that your bed? No. Where are you going? Checking the bathroom?
But I was up. Oh my god, this is too big.
Big what?
The shower thingy. Look. This is good. I like this thing. Look at the shower. Look how big.
Yeah.
And then there's a toilet. Oh, yes, it goes spray.
Gustong-gusto niya yun. Gustong-gusto niya yan, oh. Kasi, wow. It is...
Refreshing.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, mababa pa ako.
Was there any
Okay. Ito hindi mapermi. Okay, let's go. Baba na kami.
Somebody.
Kasi may kukunin tayo. Yung bag ko nandun pa. Okay. Yeah. Ground. Ay, may pa-music, guys. Narinig yung music?
Okay, mom's first. No, me first. 1.
Yeah. Yes, please, and close.
I did it.
Okay, guys. Good night. Kunin lang namin yung aming bag. What? That's why I told you. All right. Good night. Bye.
Good night, guys. Love you. Wait, what is it? Anyways.